Hi! Today we take a look at the Anker Powerline Plus USB-C to USB 2.0 cable. The cable is delivered in this packaging. This is simply capped in blue and white. The box is also embossed, what makes the packaging beautiful. Well, let's cut the seal. Okay, what do we find here? Of course, some paperwork. For example, a note that asks whether we are satisfied. As you can see, I have a set of 2 cables here. Then let's take a closer look at this one. The cable is covered with a red fabric and my model is 90 centimeters long. There should be other lengths such as 1.8 or 3 meters. There is also a small Velcro strip on the cable. So the cable stays nicely rolled up during transport. The plugs themselves appear robust and stably processed. The typical break in cables has also been reinforced here. According to Anker, the cable should survive more than 6,000 bending processes. But testing and checking will of course be a bit difficult. But optically, the manufacturer should have thought about it. So I think they will surely survive for a while. The stiffness of the cable is okay. It can be easily shaped and also retains in its shape. The red fabric on the cable looks nice. However, There are a few threads in my cables that are a bit unsightly. Of course, it may be that I caught a bad production batch, but it's still worth mentioning. My conclusion. I like the cable very much. The color is beautiful and the quality is very good. I also already own several items from the Anker company. Since this has never disappointed me until now, I am assuming that the lifespan of this cable is a lot longer than that of other manufacturers. I have also been using the cable a bit since recording. So far it works great. Fast charging with 30 watts also works without any problems with my OnePlus 7 Pro. I can therefore recommend the cable without hesitation. Thanks for watching. How is your experience with charging cables? Have you ever had a defective cable? Feel free to let me know in the comments. I look forward to exchanging ideas with you. See you next time!